What's going on YouTube? Today we have another unboxing. This is more on the sporting goods section of the unboxings we got. Today we have the Pmag Magpul D60 60 round rifle magazine. So on the front of the box you can see it's a rifle magazine, 60 round capacity for a 5.56 NATO or a 223 Remington. It's compatible with a bunch of rifles. There you go. To the side, you get like a side picture of the mag, back, and the side again. So let's open up the box. So first off, we get a warning label, read instructions before you start operating it like any other product. And we got the magazine itself. Let's pull that out. And with the magazine, there is a lubrication cloth, a Magpul sticker. As we unfold this, and we got the mag. Very sturdy. Do have a couple rounds in here to show you guys how it would look. So we take off the dust cover, just a piece of rubber. Slides on and off, very easy. You load your own rounds by pushing down on this tab. You can load 2 to 3 in at once. You let go, then it ratchets it back. So it's really tough polymer, plastic. You get a sight glass. It tells you when you're at 60 round, 10 and 60. 10 being the last stick right here, and 60 all the way being down here. You can barely see it. So that's basically it on this. This mag from Magpul will run you $100 and $130 depending if there's a sale or not. I'll leave a link in the description where you guys can pick one of these up. So that's basically it for the video. That was a quick one. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good one. Peace.
Ready, aim, fire!